Alright, in this video we're gonna finish the image gallery showing on the products page. So first and foremost, inside our page's product, let's create a function in here where we can retrieve the images. So we will get gallery images, and in here we need to have a return this product images, and in this case we are gonna plug the path. We're gonna map through them as path here, and what we're gonna do in here is we're gonna say return storage URL path, and we're gonna return this to an array. And then we're gonna go ahead in here and die dump on that for now. So die dump on this, and in this case we call this get gallery images. And you can see we have this in here. So if we go in now, we can see what happens if we say die dump on array values, this get gallery images. And let's go ahead and say xMary image gallery images. And of course make sure you have removed the die dump as well. So let's just add in a new tab. And you can see that it's definitely showing the gallery here. So in this case we do have multiple images here, but it doesn't seem to look that well. So let's head into Mary UI, go to the gallery, and look at the customizations we can do. So we're gonna have a bit of a size specified in here. And we need to have these script setups done inside app.blade.php. So I'm gonna have them just around here. We could also decide to go something like a carousel, which is the other option we have. So we have the option for a carousel as well. So I would really want you to choose which one you want to go with in here, but I'm going to show you how to implement either. So if you go ahead and say xMary carousel, and we just add it in here. And it's not adding in any images here, so that's because we need to modify this a bit differently. So if we go inside our product one here, let's create a public function get slides, and in this case we just want to say return this product images map. And we don't want to have any sort of value in here, but we just want to return it like this. And before we go any further, let's go ahead and make sure we also say die dump on this get slides. And we need to actually call it image in here, so just like that. And let's go ahead inside here and get rid of the diagram. And you can see we now have this carousel here. We need to obviously adjust the width in here a bit. So we want to make sure that let's get rid of this one for now. Make sure we get rid of the class here. There we go. So now we can essentially organize this. And if you wanted to, you could go into wire content /admin, and inside the products table, you're able to essentially organize the order in which they appear in. So we could go ahead and say we want to show it in this order. And let's go ahead and make sure we also get it by the order. So now we want to get it by this Twitter image first. So if we go ahead and now revert it, how is it going to look like? There we go. So now we're able to get it by these images first. We can obviously change the height and width around depending on what size you expect your product images to be. But that's essentially how we're able to implement this feature in here. For now, I'm going to go in here and add this as an array, and I'm going to get rid of get gallery images because we're always returning an array in here. And then I'm going to change the height in here a bit to a bit higher. So let's see, H 48. And we can see what other features we have in here. So you could even have title and description and the URL text, for example. We can even have custom content in here as well if you wanted to. So that's really up to you how you want to do this. I mean, if I were you, for an e-commerce site, for at least for the product page, I wouldn't have any text on it. I would just leave it as it is. But as you can see, we have all these options in here, and you can easily incorporate them. And let's say maybe I have 96 for now, but maybe you want to change that around depending on the height and width of your product images. However, that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching it. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.